Hello, hello everyone. Hello. Yeah, build campers. Turn on your soundboard.
Daddy, chill.
Yes, yes. All right. Let's say big hi. Okay.
Hello, how are you all doing
Yes,
for the
yes.
seven?
Awesome. All right. So, okay, okay. I think it's enough. All right. So right now it's about 60 people are listening. So we probably multiple watch stream channels. You can just use mine or Sebayaki. Not Hyojin. Hyojin, are you sharing? Yeah, just Project 7 or Sebayaki's watch stream. They're basically same. So you can join or switch over to another channel if you cannot join. And also, there are so many people today, so please mute your mic if you're not trying to talk something, okay? So please mute your mic. Check your mic now. Homer, I think your mic is on. And let's say, Mr. Freeze, it seems like your mic is on, but yeah, check yourself
Oh, my
again.
bad. My bad.
No problem. All right. So today is the first week of the build camp. Wow, build camp. Uh, let's say big sound again to begin the first session. All right. Let's welcome build campers. Woo!
Daddy, chill.
Okay. So okay, let's calm down a little bit. Okay, let's calm down. Okay, so BuildCamp is actually a quite unique program than any other programs you've been so far. First of all, this is not an academic class. Again, this is not an academy. Like I'm not a teacher, like actually there's nothing to learn from me. There are many things to learn from each other, not from me. So this is not an academy, first of all. And when you join some boot camp or some like some acceleration program or sort of like that, there are usually kind of sessions, and there are multiple high profile people come out and then talk about kind of things we've already listened to multiple times, right? um Sometimes, yeah, it's really helpful, but I don't know, that's personally not my style. My style is that maybe most important thing is like to get connected with like other fellow builders first of all, and then just do something fun. It doesn't need to be something very serious, like when you join some team in the Web3 project, they always talk about like yeah, we build up this infra, we build up this tool, and then someone makes another infra of the infra, L2 of something, L3 of something. There are a lot of like tools and stuffs and platforms like constantly. But where are the users? Where are the builders? Where are the people who actually love this Web3 space? So that was the motivation of this camp. Like we want to understand normal level of the users on Web3 and how they get interact with on-chain activities. That's our first motivations of beginning this program. So these three words are very important for build campers. It's supposed to be fun. Like, when you use your time, and if you don't feel fun, you should make it fun. You should make things to be more fun, not just for waiting or, leave. So fun is the most important. Yeah. We're going to use base chain heavily during this program. So it's really based program. Um, I hope that the Jesse joined this channel to see this, like like we're all based. But yeah, anyway, yeah, we love bass, because bass is, I think, I don't know, like kind of one of the very few chains that has lots of actual users and vibe on chain level. So that's why we choose base chain for that. And builders, these three thing is the most important thing during this program, right? All right. And Wow. So we started to gather up the applications like what, like a month ago, right? And in total, 242 applicants. We couldn't expect, like, to be honest, we thought that, like, I don't know, maybe application will be about like 50 and we can choose like, around 40 to 50. We're too naive. Yeah, it was 242. And this is like a boot camp. We cannot run a boot camp program for 242 people. That's impossible. So unfortunately, we had to choose. We had to choose. So we chose people not based on the profile or hyperprofile or something like that. No, we didn't choose in that way. We chose people who actually shared more information on chain, like people who actually. So when I search about you, and from your wallet, I can feel something from you, like you're very serious on chain. So that was kind of one of the most criteria we select those final applicants. So over 20 countries and 242 applicants, we selected 94 people as a first entry, and then we ran kind of onboarding process to actually commit for this program. And in the end, there's 81 final accepted people. Today there's 62 people at the moment, so 63 are listening. So yeah, still some of them couldn't make the first session, but still I think it's fine. Maybe some of them may join later today or maybe next week. But still, 81 right now. The one who received the email from me, they are the final build campers. Okay. Let's see the countries. So around 6% are from Africa and 14% from America, like the Canada, United States, Mexico, Brazil, or the American continent, and 56% is from East Asia. I think mostly from South Korea. South Korea. South Korea is very serious for all the Web3 thing. Yeah. Let's look at this. 56%. And interestingly, several people also from European boundary, EU area. Can you say hi from any EU countries? I mean, it doesn't need to be European Union. What I'm saying, like a European, yeah, like Spain or UK.
Hey guys, what's going on? Hey guys, what's going on?
Yeah, and then let's see, Middle East. Wow, I think just like 2 to 3 people from Middle East, and I think there's a one person from Australia. I don't know who the person was. Well, someone from Australia, so smart Oceania. What time is it in Korea? Oh, I don't know. It's like 10 p.m. I guess. Yeah, but I'm not in Korea now. I'm in Ireland, so I'm in the European boundary. I'm in Ireland. Um, yes, I'm actually living in Ireland at the moment. And Southeast Asia. Wow, 14%. Yeah. Yeah, actually, you know what? The Southeast Asia, like lovely, there are lovely countries there. Everyone will travel there. Probably some of the builders right now in Southeast Asia for traveling at the moment. But there are a lot of on-chain users there. Yeah, you'll be so surprised when you be teamed up. Probably you will see the builders from Southeast Asia boundary. They are very passionate on on-chain activities. Other compared to other countries. So yeah, you will be very surprised. All right. Yeah, NYC 9 a.m. What 10 a.m. Is it? I don't know. I think urban is in like what 7 a.m. at the moment. Yeah, so I'm sorry, this build camp session is not really friendly time for American continent. But it's literally impossible to find the best time slot for entire continents because the world has 24 hours. So yeah, please understand that. So this is the overall yeah. So this is the overall bootcamp structure. So this is 100% online program, 6 weeks, but sessions are hosted every Tuesday 1 p.m. UTC. I love to use UTC or GMT time set because To be honest, there are many countries who which still use what is it, the daylight saving. Daylight saving is very complicated to calculate these time zone things. So yeah, let's just keep using UTC time so that any time zone can easily turn to calculate their time. So the session will be 1 p.m. UTC every Tuesday. All right. So for example, today my time is 2 p.m. in Ireland. But probably after 27th of October, it will change it to 1 p.m. So you have to check your daylight saving time for the session time. In America, in United States, I believe that the daylight saving changes a bit after November 3rd, I guess. November 3rd, November 4th. I, I still don't understand why these things kind of different for each continent. Like, in European continent is like October 27, and then, yeah, the daylight saving changing time is different in the United States. Yeah, why? Why is it so different? Yeah, so yeah, be mind your local time, 1 p.m. UTC every Tuesday, all right? And each session will run around 2 hour, 2 hour and a half. Yeah, I will really try to finish before 2 hour and a half. Like it's not longer than that. But sometimes, some session speaker may be so passionate to talk about something. Then, yeah, it may delay or group activities, right? So yeah, just say 2 to 3 hours each time. So week one is today, orientation, and we already set the team. I'm gonna show you around soon. So we're gonna have the team activities today, and next week. So from next week, we're gonna discover each category of on-chains together by inviting some interesting session speaker. But the thing is, like, session speaker is not really like, like someone who just, like saying that, yo, like, I'm this kind of high profile person, like, I'm super cool. Oh, everyone claps for me. No, we are not designing sessions like that. We invite session speakers who actually have true passions and activities on on-chain level, and we're gonna discuss for topics together. So it's gotta be more fun rather than just watching some YouTube shows like where some bunch of people just keep talking about blockchain, 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 right? So next week we will invite Emily Jr. and Tio to discover about the Amphers ecosystem and also those all the crazy meme coins on top of Amphers so that we can learn and also get some insight how these dudes create those kind of seeds on chain, which is really important. When you see, even when you talk about the meme coins, many meme coins does not have that seeds on chain. They just have some trading volumes. That's all. So like pump and dump opportunities. And Ampher, in my opinion, is very unique, very very unique ecosystem. So we should dig out. So yeah, we're gonna invite Emily Jr. And Tio, and then we're gonna discover about Ampher's society, right? And the week three, so November 5th, we're gonna discover more about NFT. First of all, there's a very interesting project called Farconic. Their founding team is based on heavily art basis, but they really turned art into something very a cool project level. So we're gonna if your mic is on, please mute, or you can say hi, Nanachu. Yeah, your mic is on. You can say hi. No, you don't want to say hi. All right, Nanachu. Yeah, we welcome you. Okay, so yeah, week three is all about NFT. And week four will be all about smart contract and token economy. And actually, Sebayaki, maybe some of them might not be familiar with the person, but he's really expert in smart contract. But but when he explains something, it's too difficult to understand. Because I don't know, his brain works differently. So when he explains something, he really goes deeper level. So I'm sure that I need to translate something. So I'm gonna kind of run kind of AMA way of sessions to dig out more smart contracts. So to understand about the world more fun way and also kind of non-technical background setups. So that's what we're gonna do in week 4. Week 5, we're gonna dig out all the marketing stuffs. So probably, yeah, week 5 will be really fun because marketing is always the most fun area, but also the most difficult area, right? It's very difficult, especially when you want to reach out some targets. So we're gonna talk about those marketing topics. Also, there are some tools that you can utilize easily for your marketing tactics. So we're gonna discover about that area. And after all of this, on week 6, the last week, is about Project Ideathon. First of all, I said Ideathon. It's not a hackathon. So you don't need to actually build something physical thing. Because if you need to develop, you're very busy in your normal life, like your work or your daily life, So to develop something requires a lot of time and resources. So we don't want to do that. We want you to be really fun in your team. So this is Project Ideathon. You don't need to develop something physical, but maybe you can issue some tokens and stuff to support your idea. That's fine, right? Or you can develop something very cool thing in the frames or something if there's some developer in your team, but that's not necessary. Web3 Project Ideathon is mostly for an idea, very crazy, but it will be very fun on chain. And then you just showcase about your idea. All right, but we're gonna invite some judge group panels, heavily from WordCast area. So we're gonna invite some judge panels, actually just to give some feedbacks and opinions, and maybe they're gonna have fun also from your idea, and they're gonna have a little prize for the top three team of the Ideathon. But again, the Ideathon is really completely for very fun. All right, so these are overall 6-week program. Okay. Review judge. We cannot review judge at the moment because we're still working on it. Yeah, so please allow us time. We cannot ask someone like 6 weeks ahead, hey, so can you really make your time November 26th, 1 p.m. UTC? You should put in the calendar. They can just say, oh yeah, I have time, and then near the time they're gonna maybe project 7, I'm so sorry, I'm not gonna make it. So we're gonna finalize those judge panels probably around a week. Okay. Yes. Let's see. Actually, I already posted some important links and informations via Loza. Can you share that post link, please, if you can find? I think I shared via the BuildCamp notice channel. Let's see together. Yeah, when you go to BuildCamp notice and then there's a pinned message here. Yeah, see, there are important links and stuffs. And here there's a program overview. When you go to the program overview, which is actually quite useful because I'm gonna keep update kind of like session speakers and stuffs here, and also there are some prize and rules, and so so you can review this if you didn't have chance to read before. Okay, all right. By the way, I think there are some people who chat in this channel. We're not using this chat, okay? Please join via BuildCamp channel. The BuildCamp channel is the chatting channel, not this voice channel. Voice channel is merely just to listen, and also maybe you can join the conversation if you want. Okay. Let's see. All right. So to run this BuildCamp program successfully, I think you guys need to onboard the Hunttown ecosystem because we're gonna use a lot of tools in Hunttown to make you connect with the other builders, right? Many of them actually already familiar with the Hunttown ecosystem, but there are a lot of actually newbies who never heard about Hunttown. So I'm gonna just briefly touch about that. So we have two NFT system. One is in the Ethereum mainnet called main building NFT. Another one is on the base chain, which is called mini building NFT, right? Both NFT works a little bit different way, but by having this NFT, there are two different actually spaces you can get connected with other builders. So the first spaces is Huntton Discord, the space right now at you guys there, right? And then there's a build point system only uses in Hunttown Discord. So you when you go to the build info, I guess, build info, you can see how to get this build point and then use this build point. But merely this is virtual point for you to just get around with other builders. It doesn't have any other, kind of money value and stuff. So don't try to sell your build points. It's impossible. Yeah, and also there's a hunt tip. Probably many of them you guys already know about this in Farcaster. So those two are the core ecosystem for Hunttown builders, right? Yep. These are kind of differences between these two buildings. So again, main building is in Ethereum. Mini building is in base chain. Main building is actually ERC 721. And another one is ERC 1155. Can anyone explain differences between 721 and 1155? What is differences of that? Surprisingly, not many builders actually are familiar of differences between two. Anyone can explain? I believe that both 721 and 115 are NFT format. Network? I don't think so. Those standards are all the Ethereum-based network. 721 also NFT. 1155 also NFT format. 1155 is special one. I think 721 probably more special one. The difference is for okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. As Sia mentioned, 721 is only one. Yeah, that's kind of things. That actually you need to know. So yeah, 721 is actually a format that the token is only one, right? While 1155, there is a multiple NFTs in one token format. So that's why when you see 721, there's always number, right? Hunt building 819, Hunt building 625, because this individual token has only one owner addresses or owner address. So this is 721 format, while 1155 format has multiple tokens in one NFT format. So when you see this, see there's Hunt mini building NFT and there's a edition Hunt building. Yeah, when you go to Hunt building collection and there's Hunt building NFT has C333 owners. So they owns together of this NFT collection, NFT tokens kind of. So right now this NFT has about 1,000, I think, how many? Yeah, 1,731 NFTs in there. So this is the biggest differences between 721 and 1155. So 1155 is called multi-token. What's that? What is the full name? Actually, I don't know. NFT is non-fungible token standard, and 115 is multi something. Yeah, there's a full name of it. But yeah, there's some differences between main building and mini building. So main building is 721 format, so you actually own some special edition of it. And mini building is 1155 format, so you actually own NFT like a token. That's kind of biggest differences. And to mint one main building, you require to have 1,000 Hunt token, while mini building requires only 100 Hunt token. And main building has 1 year lockup condition. What does that mean is like, so when you mint main building, and you can actually get this Hunt token back after 1 year. But within 1 year, you cannot get this back. You have to just sell it to someone else if you want to cash out, right? So this is biggest difference. While mini building NFT, actually you can cash out anytime you want through the Mint Club, right? You all know that, right? So when you have when you have mini building, then you can actually sell whenever you want. Although you require to have 100 hunt token to mint, but when you sell, you get 95 hunt token back. So you actually have about 5% commissions. So sell, kind of sell royalty, right? But so yeah, so there's a pros and cons between main building and mini building. But other than that, the ratio to get the points are equal. So for example, main building, you get 1,000 hunt tip allowances on wordcast per day, while mini building has only 100 per day. So ratio is same, right? And also build points on Discord, also same ratio. 10 build per day for the main building and 1 build point per day for the mini building. So ratio is actually same. Okay, so this is brief differences between two buildings NFT. And yeah, you don't need to fully understand those ecosystem of Hunttown at the moment, because you're gonna get that. You're gonna get that anyway from your team members, teammates, and other builders, fellow builders. Okay, they're gonna explain for you later on. All right. Everyone loves this, right? We do have reward pool for these build campers. Like, yeah, learning something and get connected with others also fun, but also if there's a little prize pool, it's more fun, right? Yeah, so we prepared main reward pool, a total of 300 mini building NFTs. Wow, 300 mini building NFTs. So how can we distribute this mini building NFTs along this program? Based on BUILDcamp points. BUILDcamp points. So let me show you BUILDcamp points. Yeah, this is BUILDcamp points. So I issued BUILDcamp points on Mint Club. Actually, it doesn't have any feature on Mint Club. This point, I have 100% of entire build token points token. So BP, I'm gonna call BP tokens. So in total, there's 1 million BP tokens, and I have them all at the moment. And each like sessions, and there are some chances you can actually earn the BP, the points, the BUILDcamp points. And at the end of the program, you're gonna get share of your BP earned in total. So then you're gonna get shares of that. So for example, like you have in total like what? Well, you're really amazing. So you got like 5% of total, right? Then 0.05 multiply 300, then 15 mini building will be yours. Sort of like that. So yeah, I think this is really cool process, because if we run just raffle for the rewards, it's purely by the luck. But if it's based on the BUILDcamp points you earned, then actually you will have actually chance by yourself to get that, right? So I think yeah, I'm a BP token rich, yeah, but I'm gonna keep spreading every week to you guys. So I'm gonna get like poorer or BP points, and then you're gonna get richer of BP points if you're yeah, if you're good at getting it. Yeah, so this is kind of overall structure. So there's a total reward pool, which is 300 mini building NFTs, and you're gonna keep earning BP every session. And then those BP points will decide how many mini buildings you're gonna get at the end. Okay, right? Yeah, P7 is shortened word for Project 7s. I don't know, like Project 7 seems too long to call, so many people call P7. And do you guys remember
this is the time
this Ideathon
for
we did?
Mongdi X Season 2.
There was a Mongdi
Coin
X
and NFT
South Korean
Ideathon.
community before, right?
Everyone,
And we ran Ideathon for Mongdi, right? And then they had really amazing project idea from it. And actually some of this idea launched in real. It's really cool. So for example, there's a project called Stick Run. Stick Run is really cool. And then they actually launched it. They actually launched the project. So yeah, Ideathon is really fun because you don't need to develop something physically. But after this Ideathon, it's really cool that you can actually launch it. So I think this is the really amazing part of Ideathon. So we're gonna do the Ideathon at the end of the sessions program, so week 6. And we're gonna invite judge panels, and then they're gonna score each demo day's presentation. And first place, all the team members will earn one main building NFT, not mini building, one main building. So that has 1,000 hunt token inside. Second place of the team members will earn 3 mini building NFT each. So if your team become in the second place, and then your team members will earn 3 mini building NFT each. Third place, 1 mini building NFT each. So yeah, there will be Ideathon prize. But to get this Ideathon prize, you have to keep sticking into your team activities, right? If you don't get the minimum requirement, probably you may not be able to be joining these team activities. So there will be a minimum commitment level, a total of 50 BP. So you should have a total of 50 BP to get access to all these reward pools, like Ideathon prize and also main reward pool. All right. So, but actually the 50 BP will be very easy to get. I think, yeah, it's gonna be really, really easy. So you don't need to worry about anything about it. Okay. Whoa, is it like someone's gonna say hi? Who is it? Hello? Ruvang, I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know how to pronounce your name properly. I'm sorry about it. But yeah, you can say hi if you want. But if not, then please mute your mic. Yes? Okay. You can't hear me? Really? Everyone, can you hear me, right? Yeah. I don't know. Leah, maybe check your sound system. Yep. Okay. All right. So I'll keep going. Hope you can hear me. Oh, you can hear me now. Okay. Thank you. So, there is a set point to earn. There's gonna be attendance point actually, 10 BP per week. But we're gonna do team leader. Also, we're gonna select team leader of each team. If you become a team leader, your attendance point will be double, 20. Okay? Because team leader probably will have more responsibility to lead, the team activities, right? So I think that the team leader should have some reward. So yeah, attendance point is 10 BP, and team leader's attendance point will be doubled. Okay? Let's do the attendance check first. So attendance check will be very random during the session. So I'm gonna create a poll to check your attendance of the program. And I'm gonna finish within 5 minutes. Okay? When I start the attendance check, that only lives for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna close the poll, and only people checked the attendance will get the BP. No matter what, you joined like a later or you kind of missed that. So yeah, please don't ask me, oh, Bro 7, I was in toilet, please open up again. Please don't do that. All right. Present, sir. Yeah. So 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Make this attendance within 10 minutes. Okay. So I'm gonna kill it after 10 minutes. All right. Are you guys ready? The attendance check. Attendance check. All right. Let's go. So this is attendance check. You have to vote. And then after 10 minutes. So right now it's 35. So actually I'm gonna make a timer. timer. So 10 minutes. After this timer, beep, 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 I'm gonna close this attendance check, okay? So this is how we do check the attendance. Alright? So after the attendance check finished, and then I'm gonna record these, clicked people, and then give you 10 BP after the session. And if you are team leader, then you're gonna get 20. So this is how to do attendance check. And in each session, there will be group activities in your team, right? If you are also in the group activities, you're gonna get additional 20 BP. How do we check? Yeah, we're gonna during these group activity sessions, we're gonna check if you are there, and then we're gonna mark manually. Oh yeah, so for example, hey, Urban was here, yay, 20. Dylan was here, yes, in the group, yeah, 20, like that. So yeah, group activity attendance will have additional 20 BP. So look, so you just go to attendance check 10 BP, and then you went to group activity 20, already 30. So yeah, 50 BP is very easy to achieve as a minimum commitment to get access on this the reward pool. And they're gonna have quite random rewards. Like, sometimes I'm gonna say, can anybody answer this? Okay, 1 BP point for the first person who answered, sort of like that. Yeah, so probably random rewards during the session. And there is a weekly task. It's not mandatory, of course, because I know how much you guys are so busy in your daily life. So yeah, I don't want to, make, like compulsory for things. But if you complete your weekly task, then you will earn build point. Each week probably, not build point, BP, sorry, build camp points. Each week will different probably BP assigned. And each week will have different task. So when you see, this kind of icon, looks like, what is it? Like kind of, I still don't know. It's like battery? I don't know this icon, but it calls thread. When you click thread, there is actually some thread. There's a weekly submission thread. Hold on. Yeah, there's a weekly task submission thread, and there's a review content submission thread I made. This is the weekly task submission thread. So after the session, I'm gonna write up the weekly submission task here, and then you just perform the weekly task by the like before the due. I'm gonna set up a due of each weekly task, and if you finalize it, then yeah, you will earn the build points, build camp points. This is how we do the weekly task. All right, let's get back to the slide. Oh, if you have any question during the time, you can ask any questions. Don't worry, I will just pause to answer your question. There's also review content submission channel, as you guys see. Review content submission is also very simple. Like, I'd love to share about your experiences about BuildCamp all around, channels, right? So for example, your WordCast channel or Twitter or even blog, it's okay, any channel. You talk about BuildCamp and then share the link of your post in this channel. But you can get, you can share 10 contents, to be honest. But to be fair, we will give maximum 10 BP per week for you. So when you submit your content, please make sure that this is count 1 out of 2 and then post link. So if you already submitted one before, what? Who was that? What was that? What was that sound? Oh my goodness. Okay, that was funny. Yeah, so this is just merely example of your content. And then if you share your content here, then you will get 5 BP per your content and also 10 maximum per week. Okay? All right. It's easy, right? Let's get back to BuildCamp channel. Okay. Yeah, someone burped. Very big sound. Okay. And Ideathon. So I mentioned that there will be Ideathon in week 6, right? Probably, yeah, I hope the whole team will present, right? All team presents. But maybe some team may not be able to present at the end. So there is also reward. If your team successfully present on the Ideathon, then your team member will get 5 BP each. So this is Ideathon presence presented team BP point rewards. Okay. All right. This is very important Google Sheet. The link is, I'm gonna share this link too. This one. Oh, Ghost, you cannot join the stream. Then it's because the maximum number of the people can join. So there is a multiple watch stream. Project 7 or Sebayaki. Just try to switch over to another watch stream. They are basically same screen. Okay. All right. So in this Google Sheet, when you can see your team allocation, and also there is a S1/wallet sheet, right? Please find your wallet addresses. If it's wrong, please let me know. You must let me know if this is not your wallet, because I'm gonna distribute BUILDcamp points to this wallet. This will be your wallet to receive any rewards. So this will be your wallet addresses that receive the BUILDcamp points, and after the program, probably this wallet will be also your mini building recipients rewards addresses. So please check your email addresses matching this wallet addresses, and if it's not, then please report me. Also, there are 2 people who still did not submit wallet addresses. Okay, there are 2 people. If you are one of these, also please report me so that I can give you a build point. Okay. All right. Where to see? Rosa, please share the link again. Yep. Okay. All right. Before the team activities, let's do the mission game. Because Hunchtown has some ecosystem, so from the very beginning week, it's better for you to be properly onboarded so that you can get the rewards, you can actually get connected with each other. I'm pretty much sure that half of these people right now already well onboarded on Hunchtown, but maybe some of them not yet. So let's do it together, okay? If you are kind of, experienced person on Hunchtown ecosystem, then please help other newbies, okay? There are 2 questions. Can't find my name on the attendance list. What? Really? Boca. Really? Let's double check. Then I will double check after this session, okay? Please heads up again, Boca, about your list. Or Loja, could you figure out the Boca's submissions and then how we miss him? Could you check? Okay, thank you very much. All right. And what was Dylan's question? Dylan, can you ask? Can you share your question again? Sorry, it's too much up here.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. What was your question?
It's Dylan here, Bo. So I am going to ask that suppose the one member don't continue to join the build camp, so all other members who attended the Ideathon section will get BP or not?
So there are 2 things. First of all, each team member should have at least 50 BP to be eligible to get the order rewards, right? So that's the one thing. And yeah, I'm pretty much sure that some of the members never show up, right? Then team leader can tell me about please delete this person from the team. Then the person will not be able to join the team Ideathon involvements. So yeah, there are 2 things. First of all, yeah, 50 BP points to earn minimum, and also the team leader can decide this person can be also maintained. Oh.
And how team leader will gonna decide?
How do you what?
How team leader will gonna decide? Is there any criteria or any something?
I don't know. If you think that person really did not do proper work, then maybe you need to discuss with your active team members and then just let me know. Yeah. Can anyone pin the message of the attendance check? I can't find. I have to close it, the attendance. Oh, never mind. Yeah, probably people already don't do the attendance check anyway. So, thank you, Dylan. Let's finish the attendance check. How can I close this poll?
Hello.
Yep. End poll now. Okay, the poll's
I was
ended.
having a doubt.
Sorry, pardon?
I was having a question.
Yeah. Actually, can you just
So
type?
how?
Can you just type your question so that I can understand better?
Sure.
Yeah. Sorry. All right. Let's go over mission game because the time's ticking. I need to have enough time for you to have the team activities today. So, there is actually onboarding gift for you guys. Onboarding gift. So, sorry, there are too many things. Go to this page. And sorry. All right. Yeah, when you go to that airdrop page, you can claim 1 mini building NFT. I'm sorry for Mongdi X Season 3 people because you guys already claimed your mini building. So probably your wallet will be not eligible here. But other people, so BUILDcamp people who joined from this to this program, I already added all your wallet addresses. All right, so you can claim it. This is our onboarding gift. Okay. How to claim? Just go to this page and then you connect your wallet here. Then yeah, people they start to claim, right? See, then this button will be eligible. Yes. The wallet addresses I added is based on the wallet addresses that you submitted when you apply this program. Probably from the Luma page. If you cannot find the wallet addresses, just check your Luma page, which wallet you did. Okay, project 7, two things. Buka isn't in the list, so after the session, we need to add Buka to the team. Regarding BP to prevent abuse, shouldn't there be strict rule against transferring BP to others? About number 2. Yeah, actually, I thought about that risk. I'm pretty much sure that I did not I did not approve applicants who only motivation is to get the mini building.
Bro, can I suggest some solution for this?
Yes.
I can say that all the members who are like building something can check each other's wallet regularly so that if there are meticulous activities like transferring all PP into same account, this should be prevent. All team members will check each other's address regularly.
So sorry. The voice is a little bit fuzzy. Could you type it actually? Then I think I can understand better your opinion. If any other people also has good idea about the Loja's the second issue to raise, any solution to solve this issue. I mean, to be honest, I don't think it's gonna be any big matters. Like who's gonna just transfer those BP to someone else to get more rewards like for one person. I don't know. Yeah, so I don't think it's gonna be a big matter. But yeah, I'm pretty much sure that there will be a little bit motivation that maybe someone I don't wanna just remain in this program, or I don't need this build camp points to earn the mini building. Then some other people can maybe ask, can I get that? Then transfer. Then yeah, there will be a little bit issue. So maybe you can set up a rule that no transfer each other. If there's any transferring recourse, then that will be not eligible. We can decide kind of like this. But yeah, I'm gonna discuss about that later with okay, Dylan's all team members and trusted members can check each other wallet regularly. Yeah, that's good solution. But yeah, let's see. How team members know the wallets of their teams. I don't know. You guys can talk each other, right? Yeah, I did not reveal that personal information. Your MetaMask won't start? Oh, don't worry. This onboarding gift airdrop finishes by October 28th. So yeah, you can try later. Okay, so this is our welcome gift. So please claim it, our welcome gift. Okay? Okay. And after you claim the welcome gift, you can verify your building on Hunttown Discord. You have to verify your building so that you can get build points that also uses in this Hunttown. Okay? So yeah, Roja already shared verify building channel. You go to verify building channel and then you try to verify your wallet that has already mini building NFT. Then you will get access on the build points daily basis. All right. After that, so click this. After that, register your workcast and other social profile via setting, which is also important. So when you go to settings here, there's a multiple buttons here, right? There's a social URL buttons. When you click it, you can register your Twitter account, Workcast account, Instagram, Thread, whatever you want. It's all up to you, but I want you to register Workcast for sure so that you can get connected with other builders here. So for example, I think Datu is really cool, so I wanna check like her Workcast channel and Datu like this. Then see, you have to list your Workcast channel here so that the person can search about you and then go to the page and then follow. That's the purpose. Okay? Yeah. P7 showed the list, so I thought we can access this too. Yeah. No. In that list, I kind of asterisk of the email, so you can't see which person's wallet address is here. I do not share the wallet for kind of on the public information because some of the people does not want to reveal the personal wallet addresses in public spaces for privacy matters. So yeah, I kind of asterisk on it. Yeah. So yeah, please go to setting and then you can register your social Workcast link or other links here so that people can get to know more about you and then maybe follow each other to support you, right? Yeah, which is a cool way, right? So this is the mission 2. You can do that. And become a member of the Hunt channel on Workcast. Ooh, this is a little bit tricky. So in Workcast, we have Hunt channel, right? And this is a member only thread. So to cast a post in this channel, you have to be a member of that. How to do that? There's a pinned frame here. You already minted your mini building NFT, then you can just click this button, quest button. Oh, but before to do that, please follow this channel first. Where's follow button? Where's follow button? Maybe probably somewhere here. I already followed. You have to follow this channel first because then that's how you get the notification from this channel. After that, find this frame, pinned post, and then click the quest button after you mint that mini building NFT. And then you say, I already have one mini building NFT in my wallet. Then you just click the done button. After a while, invitation will be sent to your notification here in the channel section. There will be here like Hunt channel invited you to be a member. You just accept it. Then you can become the member of this channel. All right. If you encounter any errors or issues, please let us know so that we can check technical stuffs. All right. Who are the leaders? We're gonna get there. You have to decide by yourself. But during this team activities, we didn't get that yet. So after that, you can share your daily tip frame. How to do that? Again, when you go to the Hunt channel here, just scroll down. Probably somebody already shared. Where is it? Yeah, like this. Somebody already shared the Hunt stat, right? and then you just click your stat like this, and you can share like this to maybe hunt channel, and then cast. Yeah, this is how to share your hunt stat frame to this channel. Yeah, so this mission is all about that. Yeah, probably some of them already done before, but this is for newbies who are not familiar for the Hunt Town ecosystem. Maybe I'm too fast now for the newbies, but don't worry, you don't need to do it now. You're gonna be assigned in the team, and in your team, I'm pretty much sure that there will be some people already experienced this, so that people can help you. So don't worry about it at all if you cannot follow, if I'm too quickly. All right. So this is the mission to share your daily tip frame. And after all of that, we also have a group chat here in the Directcast channel called Hunt Fred House. There are about 150 people here already. So yeah, you can get connected with these builders too. How to join this channel? This is the link. This is the link. Direct link to join. Okay. So that's it. This is all the mission that you can complete to onboard Hunt Town. Any questions? Yeah? No? Alright. Okay. Onboarding gift again. I'm sorry for Mongdi X Season 3 members. You already received. Yeah. If you didn't, please let me know. And 1 minute building NFT each. I'm too old for this shit. Okay. Dun dun dun. This is the team. This is okay. This is the team. Wow. It took ages for me to make this slide. It took ages for me to make this slide. I'm sure that I don't make any mistakes of your photo and the name here. If not, please apologize in advance. I apologize for that. So yeah, find your team. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3. So each team has 10 members probably, and then Team 8 has 11. But I'm pretty sure that some of them may be kind of disqualified during this program because too busy to join all these weekly sessions. So maybe 70% will live until this end at the end, or 0.5%. But still, it's 5 people. So 5 people is good number of the team. So that's why I allocate at least 10 people each team by considering that. Okay, and we're gonna do the team activities after this. In your team activities, what you need to do, first of all, turn on your mic to talk. If you're shy to talk, especially in English, then you can use your chat. But I don't know. Don't feel afraid about your English because you don't need to talk fluently. It's just like you can just show about yourself, and then your passion. That's all. So yeah, don't be afraid of turning on your mic in your group activities. But if you still feel shy, don't worry. Just use chat channel. How to use chat channel? When you go so after the group this session, we're gonna have team activities here, and each voice channel there is a open chat, all voice chat. So you can use that as a chat channel. All right. Again, when you go to your team channel later on, and there is an open chat of each voice channel like this. So this can be your team chat. All right. So turn on your mic to talk in your group activities. Introduce yourself. Just 1 to 2 minutes, maybe per person. Just you can mention about what you do. I mean, it doesn't need to be fancy. You can just say, "Oh yeah, I'm Project 7. I mostly do read comic books." I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't need to be something cool, right? Just talk about what you do. If you have a running project, that's kind of cool thing to share with your teammates. Your Web3 experiences so far. You can say, "Oh, I'm completely newbie." Actually, there are some newbies here for Web3. Still, they joined the Web3 Bootcamp. Why? They are quite really talented people in Web2. And then selected from very, very competitive program called MongDX. So they are really mostly smart people, even though they're Web3 newbies. If they're Web3 newbies, please help them to onboard Web3 world. And you're gonna be surprised that they're gonna be super, super genius Web3 builders very quickly soon. We already experienced that from MongDX Season 1 and Season 2 program. So, yeah, you talk about your Web3 experiences and your goal for this BuildCamp program to share about it. Probably some of you guys want to seek for some teammates or join some Web3 project or just be fun or to discover some fun project to do. Yeah, whatever the goal. Or someone's like, I'm just curious about this kind of thing, you know. Anything you can discuss. Number 4 is important. Please decide a team leader. One team leader of each team. All right? Again, team leader will have some responsibility. First of all, if you're team leader, yeah, you should come every weekly session to run the group activities. If you cannot make every sessions, then I'm sorry, but you shouldn't be the team leader. So yeah, please decide the team leader who actually commit the most of this program. And then the team leader will get extra BuildCamp points, as I explained earlier, right? Submit your team details via weekly task submission channel. In this channel, you share your team leader and also team members, okay? Team members list is important. I mean, what I mean is team member is that the team member who joined today's group activities, okay? So that we can check the group. No. Actually, you don't need to share the team members like that. You can just share entire team members in your list because we're gonna just look around. We're gonna take a snapshot of your group activities today, and then we're gonna give you extra build points based on those snapshots. So yeah, you don't need to worry about that part. And then probably after discussing in your teams, probably you can find out there's some unique part of your team. When I allocate those team members, I really try hard to make sure that like the continents, you know, that like a multiple diverse continents in the one team, and maybe diverse genders. To be honest, I cannot for sure the genders. So, to be honest, because we're all Web3, we don't know. Like you don't know if I'm a female or male. Can you figure out? Am I a male or female? I don't know. You can call me they. I don't know. But yeah, we don't care about your gender in general in Web3. We don't want to know about it. Yeah, Web3 is supposed to be gender-free world, right? But yeah, I try to be diverse as much as possible in your team. Okay, because this diversity is always best. And yes, and also your skills. I reviewed the entire skill sets too. So I really try hard to make diverse skill set in your one team. Okay, so you're gonna be surprised that wow, this person is like developer. Oh wow, this person is a kind of illustrator, artist. Wow, this person is very expert in marketing. This person is influencer. Sort of like that. So you can discuss about it. Find your uniqueness of your team, and then maybe share together. Maybe team leader can share this in the weekly task submission channel. Once you do, at the end of the session, I'm gonna run the wheel of the names, and then we're gonna select 3 lucky teams. Each of the team member will be earning 5 BuildCamp points after that. Okay, so yeah, discuss in your team, decide your team leader, and then share your team information in the weekly task submissions. So after these group activities, we're gonna call that please gather up here. Group activities finished, and then after that, we're gonna run the wheel. We're gonna select 3 teams, lucky teams, and entire team members will earn 5 BuildCamp points each. Okay, this is the group activities. All right. Now, dun, dun, dun. So this is the session of the team activities. So go to this Google Docs. Find your team information, and Loja, can you assign Buka in the team? Loza, are you there? Can you assign Buka in the team? Yeah. And then probably you can find yourself here, right? And you go to your team's voice chat here. You can move now. And after 40 minutes, so I'm gonna click the 40 minutes. No, 40 minutes too long. Okay, 30 minutes. Ooh, okay, 30 minutes. Count on. Then come back here, okay? Come back to the voice channel again. Then we're gonna finalize today's session, okay? All right. Bon voyage. Bon voyage.